Okay guys, I'm going to do pre-trip inspection. Clearance lights, turn signal, amber in the front, red on the back. Headlights, high beam, low beam, and four-way flashers. Always clean, no crack, no part missing, working in order. When I go inside, I will show you all the lights one by one. Windshield, no crack, no illegal stickers, always clean. Windshield wipers, proper tension, rubber or soft, working in order. Under the tractor, no fluid leaking, nothing hanging down. Front axle, no damage, always straight, no suspension problem up to the ground. Tractor unit, not leaning, if leaning, showing sign of suspension problem or air inflation. Now I'm going to open the hood and going to the right side of the tractor.
This is the proper way how to open the hood.
Exhaust system, muffler and exhaust pipe well attached, no crack, no damage, no exhaust leak. If leak, I see suit. Turbo, no damage, clamps tight. If loose, I see suit. Radiator reservoir, well attached, no crack, no leak, should be full up to the mark, cap tight. All hoses, no crack, no leak, no bulging, clamps tight. Radiator, securely mounted, no crack, no leak. Water pump, well driven, well attached, no crack, no leak. Alternator, well driven, well attached, wiring securely fastened, all belts. No crack, no frazz, no play more than 3/4 of an inch. Now I'm going to the left side of the tractor. Dipstick, where I check engine oil, should be up to the full mark. Oil fill cap, cap tight where I add oil if needed by gallon. Air compressor, gear driven, well attached, no crack, no leak. Air compressor governor, well attached, no leak. Air lines, well routed, no crack, no leak, no bulging. Power steering pump, gear driven, well attached, no crack, no leak. Power steering hoses, well routed, no crack, no leak. Power steering reservoir, well attached, no crack, no leak. This is where I check or add power steering fluid. Leaf spring hangers, both sides, no damage, nut bolt tight. Leaf springs, both sides, no crack, no missing or broken more than 25%. Spring mounts, both sides, no damage, well attached, nut bolt tight. U-bolts, both sides, well attached with 4 nuts and nuts are tight. Spacer, both sides, no crack or missing. Steering column, no crack, no bent. Steering universal joint, well lubricated. Steering gearbox, securely mounted, no crack, no leak, nut bolt tight. Pitman arm, drag link and steering arm, no crack, no bent, attached with 2 Kessel nuts and cotter pins in place. Brake chambers, both sides, securely mounted, no dent, no leak. Brake chamber hoses, Both sides well routed, no crack, no leak, no bulging. Slack adjuster. Both sides securely mounted, no broken, no loose, no missing part. When the brakes are applied, the push rod should not move more than 2 inches from the brake chamber. Shock absorbers. Both sides, nut bolt tight, no damage, no leak. Inner axle seals. Both sides, no leak. If leak, I see oil and grease on the brakes. Brake linings. Both sides cannot be less than quarter of an inch thickness. Tire ICD. Inflation 100 to 110 psi, or according to manufacturer, I check tire inflation by using a tire gauge for all tires. Condition: tread not worn, no cut, no bulging for all the tires. Depth: no less than 4 by 32 of an inch. Steer tire must match, no recap. Valve stems. Both sides seal with a steel cap and no leak. Brake drums. Both sides, no crack, no bend, no weld. Rims. Both sides, no damage, no bend, no weld. Lug nuts. Both sides are tight. If loose, I see shining spot on aluminum, rust on steel. Hub seal. Both sides well attached, nut bolt tight, oil up to level, no leak. Windshield water fluid. Fluid up to level, no leak, cap tight. Mirror and brackets. Both sides well attached, no damage, nut bolt tight, mirror always clean, no crack. Doors. Both sides open and closes properly, hinges aligned. Window both sides, no crack, always clean. Fire extinguisher. Securely mounted, fully charged. 3 emergency triangles, spare fuses and breakers should be inside the cab. Footsteps. Both sides well attached, no damage and free of debris. Fuel tanks. Both sides securely mounted, straps are tight, no leak. Fuel caps. Both sides always tight, no leak. Catwalk. Well attached, no damage, free of debris. Tractor and trailer coupling air lines. Securely hanged, listen for leak, no crack, no bulging. Glad hands. Well attached, good seal, no leak. Tractor to trailer electric wire. No damage, no cut. Make sure the electrical wire is firmly seated in plug, always locked. Tractor frame. No crack, no weld, no illegal holes. Drive shaft. No weld, no bent, no crack, universal joints, all always lubricated, free of debris. Fifth wheel. Fifth wheel platform, no damage, well attached to the tractor frame, nut bolt tight, fifth wheel well lubricated, and no gap between fifth wheel and trailer apron. Skid plate and apron should not be damaged. Release handle in locked position. Locking pin in locked position. Lock jaws securely attached to the shank of the kingpin, always locked in position. Kingpin, no crack, no bend, always straight. Now I'm going to tell you all the parts. Leaf spring, hanger, spacer, U-bolt, mount, brake chamber hoses, slack adjuster, push rod, shock absorber, drum, lining, pad on both sides, same as I explained you in the front. Drive axle. No damage, no leak, attached with 2 rims. Both sides, no crack, no bend, no weld, no gap between 2 rims, and no debris between 2 tires. Tire ICD, inflation 95 to 100 psi or according to manufacturer. I check tire inflation by using a tire gauge for all tires. Condition, thread not worn, no cut, no bulging for all the tires. Depth, no less than 2 by 32 of an inch. Valve stems, both sides, cap should be on and tight, no leak, where I check air and add if needed by a tire gauge. 2 rims, both sides, no crack, no weld. Lug nuts, both sides are tight. If loose, I see shining spot on aluminum, rust on steel. Axle hub, both sides, nut bolt tight, no leak. Mud flaps, both sides, well attached, no damage, must be at least 2 inches but no more than 6 inches from the ground. Airbags, both sides, securely mounted, no leak. Tractor tail lights, proper color, red at the rear, back or reverse light, stop light, 4-way flashers, turn signals, no damage, all in working order, always clean. Tractor tail reflectors, always clean and shiny. Okay, my tractor pre-trip is done. Now I'm going to start my trailer pre-trip inspection. I'm going to start on the front. Trailer front and reflectors, no damage, reflectors always clean and shiny. Trailer platform, always straight, no damage. Trailer service lights, amber in front and red on the back, no damage, no part missing and always working. Loading hooks, well attached to the trailer, securely well. All the reflectors, all sides always clean and shining. Landing gear, easy up, easy down, always up position, nut bolt tight, no damage. Other side handle good condition and always hanging with the hook. Trailer frame, no crack, no weld, no illegal hole and always straight. Air tank, no crack, no leak, all hoses, no cut, no leak, no nut bolt tight. Crossbar, always straight, no damage. Leaf spring hanger, no damage, attached with trailer frame. Brake chamber, securely mounted, no dent, no leak. Hoses, no leak, nut bolt tight. Torque arm, always straight, no crack, nut bolt tight. This side adjustable, other side non-adjustable. Leaf springs, no crack, no missing, more than 25%. U-bolts, well attached with 4 nuts, all U-bolt nuts are tight. Spring mount, no damage, no missing. Trailer axle, no damage, always straight, attached with 2 rims, no gap between 2 rims, no debris between 2 tires. 2 valve stems, steel with steel cap, no leak. Tire ICD, inflation 95 to 100 psi or according to manufacturer. I can check tire inflation by using a tire gauge for all tire. Condition, thread not worn, no cut, no bulging for all the tires. Depth, no less than 2 by 32 of an inch on the trailer tires. Lug nuts, always tight. If loose, I see shining spot on aluminum, rust on steel. 2 rims, no damage, no bend, no belt. Wet seal, no crack, no leak, nut bolt tight, oil up to level. Splash guard, well attached, no damage, nut bolt tight, must be at least 2 inches off the ground but not more than 6 inches from the ground. Trailer tail lights, tail light proper color red at the rear. Trailer reflectors, always clean and shining. Trailer back loading hooks, no crack, weld tight. Brake pad, no damage, thickness not less than quarter of an inch. Brake drums, no crack, no oil, no grease, always clean. Slack adjusters, no crack, no bend, no part missing. When we apply the brake, the push rod should not move more than 1 inch from the brake chamber. Okay, my trailer pre-trip is done, and